In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple answers in Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a question so more than one option can be marked correct and graded properly. This is especially useful for checkbox style questions where several responses might be valid. First, open Google Forms in your browser and sign in if you're not already. From your Forms home, locate the form you've been working on under the recent items and click to open it. That takes you straight into the editor where you can adjust your questions and settings. At the top of the editor, click Settings. This is where you control how responses are handled and, importantly for this tutorial, how quizzes work. In the Settings panel, turn on Make This a Quiz. Enabling quiz mode unlocks the answer key for each question, lets you assign point values, and determines how correct answers are evaluated. Without this, you won't be able to mark multiple correct options for grading. Once quiz mode is on, switch back to the Questions tab. Open the specific question where you want multiple correct answers. Now click Answer Key beneath that question. The form will flip into Answer Key mode, showing all of the options you've provided. Here's the key step. Select every option that should count as correct. You can click more than one choice in the answer key, and each one you select will be treated as a correct answer when responses are graded. While you're here, you can also set the point value for the question so it reflects how you want it scored. A quick tip to avoid confusion. Respondents can only select multiple choices during the quiz if the question type supports it, such as checkboxes. Multiple choice questions allow only one selection for respondents, even if you mark more than one correct option in the answer key. So if your goal is to let people pick several answers, make sure the question is using a multi-select type before you set the answer key. When you're satisfied with the correct options you've chosen, click Done to save the answer key. That's it. Your form is now configured so that question accepts multiple answers as correct, and Google Forms will grade it accordingly. To wrap up, you opened your form, went into Settings, enabled quiz mode, returned to your questions, used the answer key, selected multiple correct options, and saved. With that setup, you can confidently collect and grade questions that have more than one valid answer.